Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today, I'm going to teach you about PEMDAS and BODMAS rule. So, in US, we will call it as PEMDAS rule. In India, we will call it as a BODMAS rule. See, PEMDAS. In this, the P stands for parenthesis, E is the exponents, M is multiplication, D is division, A and S are for addition and subtraction. So, if you in the question, if you have any parenthesis first, you will solve the parenthesis and then the exponents, then multiplication or division, and last we'll do adding or subtraction. And we will follow all the steps from left to right. Okay, so PEMDAS is P for parenthesis, right? BODMAS B is for brackets, okay? And we are writing E as an exponents. Here, O is nothing but order of powers or exponents, okay? Because if you have x square, we can call it as an exponents or the powers, okay? Again, the rest is the same, division, multiplication, adding, and subtracting, okay? So let me start with few examples. The first example is 3 times 5 square divided by 15 minus 5 minus 2 square. So first step is to solve parenthesis. But in parenthesis, you have so many other numbers here. So we will do from left to right. So first you will multiply 5 to the power of 2. 5 to the power of 2 is nothing but 5 times 5, which is 25. Okay. So 3 times 25 divided by 15 minus 5 minus 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay. Now we have to do multiplication or division, but we have to do from left to right, right? So 3 times 25 is 75 divided by 15 minus 5 minus 4, okay? So now we have to solve the parenthesis. 75 divided by 15 is 5 minus 5 minus 4 is 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer is 4. Okay. Let me explain you the next example. In this case, 10 minus 7 parenthesis 3 plus 2 plus 7 square. First, we will solve the parenthesis. Minus 7 times 3 plus 2 is 5. Or you can keep it, we are solving the parenthesis. And 7 square. 7 square is nothing but 7 times 7, which is 49. Okay. Now 10 minus 7 times 5 is 35 plus 49. So how much is 10 minus 35? Here 10 is a positive number, minus 35 is a negative number. So you have to subtract and keep the absolute value of the bigger number sign. So 10 minus 35 is 25 and the absolute value of bigger number is minus 25 plus 49. Okay. Now you can do 49 minus 25, which is 9 minus 5 is 4 and 4 minus 2 is 2, 24. Okay. And if you have any doubts in integers, adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing, you can check my previous videos. Okay. Now, in PEMDAS rule, here we don't have any parentheses or exponents. So you can do multiplication or division from left to right. So when you start with the left, 14 divided by 2 is 7 minus 1 plus 3. Now, 7 minus 1 is 6 plus 3, which is 9. Now, in the fourth example, we have two parentheses. But in the parenthesis, you have more than one arithmetic operation. So first we will do from left to right. And 10 plus 59, which is 69, minus 3 square. 3 square is nothing but 3 times 3, which is 9, divided by 24 minus 4 is 20. So 69 minus 9 is 60, and then divided by 20. Okay, so 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 6 by 2 is 3, or 60 divided by 20 is 3. Now 6 plus 4 whole square, right? 6 plus 4 whole square is nothing but 10 square, plus here, see, we have to do instead of addition, first you have to do division in this case, okay? So 10 divided by 2 is 5, okay? So 10 square is 100, plus 11 plus 5 is 16, which is 116, which is 116, okay? In the next example, you have so many operations there, multiplication, division, exponents, and everything. So we will start from left to right and we'll solve one by one. So 9 square is 81 divided by 3 plus 14 times. We have to solve the parenthesis first actually. But here, in this case, it is separated. So I did exponents along with the parenthesis too, so that I can reduce one step in the answers, okay? How much is 11 minus 2? 9 minus 15, okay? So how much is 81 divided by 3? 27, right? And 14 times 9 is 126, okay? Minus 15. So first what you did, 11 minus 2 is 9 and 14 times 9 is 126. Now we can do subtraction or addition first, because addition and subtraction has the same weightage in PEMDAS and BODMAS rule. Okay. So first if you want to do you can do subtraction. So 6 minus 5 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 115. Okay. Now you have to add those two numbers, which is 115 plus 27, right? So 5 plus 7 is 12, 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 4, which is 142. Okay. Now, let me explain you the 7th example. Again, in this, we have two parentheses. First, you will solve the parenthesis. So 28 divided by 4 is 7, plus 3, plus 10 minus 8 is 2 times 5. Again, you have to do multiplication first. So 2 times 5 is 10 and then 7 plus 3. Now we can add. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Okay. Now 16 plus 3 cube. After parenthesis, we have the exponents. So 3 cube is nothing but 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Okay. So 16 plus 27 minus 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 to the power of 2 plus 2. Okay. So first we have to solve the exponent. 16 plus 27 minus 9 plus 2. Okay. And we can do addition first or subtraction. Anything has the same weightage. For example, if you know 27 minus 9 as 18 plus 2, right? And 18 plus 2 is 20. 20 plus 16 is 36. Okay. Because addition and subtraction has the same weightage. Multiplication and division has the same weightage. So you can do multiplication first or division first, but you have to do the order of operations from left to right. Here, if you do 16 plus 27, whatever the answer you will get, you can subtract minus 9 and 2. But when you look at the numbers, it's easy to do the calculations. 27 minus 9 is 18. Then I added 2. Okay. I hope I gave you a clear idea about PEMDAS or BODMAS rule. I will attach a PDF in the description link below along with the worksheets so that the kids can practice. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.